The air cleaner cover assembly consists of the air filter base, the choke plate and lever, the air filter, and the air filter cover. The kit can be used to service tools with a broken choke, broken base, or missing or broken cover. Most problems with the air cleaner cover assembly are the result of accidental damage, such as dropping the tool or damage caused by something falling on it. Replacing the air cleaner cover assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter assembly from the carburetor. Now I can begin installing the new air filter base. I'll remove the air filter cover and insert the screws through the base that came off of the old one. Now remount the carburetor by sliding the screws through it and into the isolator mount. I'll reattach the crankcase breather and finish up by installing the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the air cleaner cover assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.